Hey, lizards! Off in the distance is a chemtrail plane. Hey, I thought I was part of the gang, man, so why you spraying me? Huh? See it off in the distance? Coming up from Mexico? I thought I was part of the gang, and yet you're spraying again. If I'm part of the gang, why are you spraying? Ah, lizards? Lizzies! Hey, tranny god, what's up? Huh? I thought I was part of the gang, so why are you spray dumping on me? Huh? What's going on, boys and girls? Catch you later. Fire in the sky. Is it live or is it Memorex? Yeah, it looks like it's one of them planes. Deplane! Deplane! Oh yeah, your sun simulator, of course. But of course. Hi NASA, how you doing, guys? Hi NASA, woohoo! You still spraying, man? How you doing, lizards? Yeah, stupid human, right? Never figure out the 33-degree masonry shit, right? Lizards. Lizards. Here's your sun simulator, kids. Oh, look. There's one there. And there's another one. There's double. Oh, look. I get the double whammy. See, look at this shit. Live. Look live, people. Live. You got the sun simulator and 2 chemtrails. That means the double. Right? Right, lizard buddies? Hi, say hi to Lindsay for me and your boss. Oh, look at that, the double. Woo! Look at that. You're black on white. Well, this is reported live, man. The lizards run the planet. Oh yeah, they don't like me. Oh wow, I don't like you, what you've done to me. Put your shit implant in my body. And your fucking chemtrails. Pieces of shit. Alright, reporting live. Over and out.